Today we're making lemon blueberry overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great option for a balanced on-the-go breakfast recipe. So if you find yourself struggling in the morning with time and you need something to grab and go, this would be a great option. So when we make overnight oats in our family, we have a simple base and then we can add different types of protein powder and fruit to change up the flavor. We're gonna have 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of almond milk, and then 1 package of yogurt. From there, we add the fruit and the different flavored protein powder to make that balanced meal. All right, let's get to it. Lemon blueberry overnight oats coming right up. There we have it, our overnight oats. Super easy, super delicious recipe to set yourself up for breakfast for the next day or the coming days. Now remember, this recipe is going to have mostly protein and carbohydrates in it. We want to add a little bit of healthy fat. We can do this by adding a serving or 2 of your favorite nut. You can do chopped nut or little nut pieces to make this a balanced breakfast. Hope you enjoy this one as much as we do.